Hey everyone, I hope you all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's get started. First, search for insmind.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click the login sign up button in the top right corner. You can continue using your Google account, Facebook, or you can use email address. For the email, go to temp mail and copy the email address and paste it into Insmind. Then choose a strong password and finally click login button. If you see an error message, simply click the get code button and then go back to temp mail and open the email you received from Insmind. Copy the verification code, paste it into Insmind and click login button again. And that's it. Your account has set up successfully and you'll see a dashboard like this where you can access AI chat, generate images and create AI videos. So let's try generating a video. For the prompt, you can go to chat GPT and describe your video idea. I'm using my own video idea, but you can use any concept you would like to create. So once you get your prompt, copy it and paste it into insmind.com. Next, select Cadence 1.5 Pro because there you can find multiple tools, but you have to choose Cadence 1.5 Pro and then choose your preferred aspect ratio, video quality and duration as well. Then simply click submit button. A new window will open and it will take maybe a couple of seconds, maybe due to internet issue. So don't be panic. And here you see your video generation process will begin. It may take a few minutes, so don't worry, that's completely normal. So let this tool generate our AI video according to the prompt we provided. And here we go. Our first AI video has been generated successfully, exactly according to the prompt we provided. And the best part is that you can download this video without any watermark. One more important thing, if you run out of credits, go back to the dashboard and click the gift icon in the top right corner. There you can watch short ads to earn additional free credits. Alternatively, you can open a new incognito window, sign up again on insmind.com using a different temporary email address and receive more free credits to generate additional AI videos for free. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.